Today we are going to make dairy-free donuts.
Okay, we'll get started by creaming together. We're using coconut oil instead of shortening. Pour in the sugar.
Sugar, yum.
The almond extract.
It smells so good.
Okay, stirring that in. Okay, this is our, we made buttermilk from non-dairy rice milk and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So go ahead and pour that in.
This is my favorite.
Slowly, slowly. There we go. Baking soda. And you can grab the next one, the baking powder.
Baking powder.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, it's on.
Okay. And add in the salt. Give all that a good stir.
We're gonna have flour.
You pour in the flour and I'll keep stirring. Do it slowly. Just shake it in there. Okay.
I don't want to drop the bowl. Just so you let you know, this is all organic.
That's right, we're using all organic ingredients. And these are dairy-free, vegan donuts. Get a little extra flour out of here for rolling pin. Go ahead and toss it with some flour. I'm gonna roll this out about, let's see, cutting like that. Start at the very end, remember, so we can get as many cuts as hard and shake. All right. Now, okay. Now put your hole.
One important thing. You gotta get it perfectly in the middle.
Yep. And give it a shake. All right. My cup's a little sticky, so I'm gonna add some flour to the ring of the cup.
Yeah. No, it's delicious.
And with vegan cooking, what we like is that we get to taste the dough because
Yeah.
there's no raw eggs in it.
Yeah. If you don't have any raw eggs and you taste it, always make sure it tastes good because that means when it's cooked, it may taste good.
All right, roll that out. This is my oil I use. All right, we're gonna wrap and roll again.
Wrap and roll, wrap and roll, wrap and roll, wrap and roll. It's not a thermometer that touches your temperature.
Right, it's for the oil. So we can get this in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
8.
Well, let's just see if it's real or not.
Okay. Sugar donuts
Yay! My dad's favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, we'll throw these in after this batch.
Yeah.
Drop one of these in there for you. It's still hot. So let me get the spoon. You can toss some sugar on that. And just flip it over with that.
And I'll just pour sugar. And always have a parent to help you with that, so you don't burn yourself if you're a kid. And that would be bad. Next donut, please.
Ow, super hot.
Oh, you okay?
Yep.
Well, that's why you need a parent.
Her mom got burned, huh?
Yeah. Or let a mom or dad help you. Or any parent that's in your house. Next runner, please.
Let's give a good shake before we sugar this one. We're gonna crack it open.
Oh, nice.
Yummy.
Yum,
Yummy.
yum, yum, yum.
Flaky, crispy, cakey.
Oh, cakey, yes.
See how that is? All right, we can sample this one.
Oh, oh.
Plate.
Isn't it beautiful? There's all the
These are
donuts
our
on there.
dairy-free vegan donuts. Organic.
Yum. Can't wait to start eating.
Until next time.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.